Hi friends, I Robinson. Welcome to our YouTube channel Star Science Robinson. Let's get into the topic. Coarctation of aorta. So coarctation of aorta, it is nothing but narrowing of the lumen within the area of the aortic arch. So it is narrowing causes decreased blood flow in the distal to the structure and backup of blood flow into the hearts. So when it is narrowed, I will show in the diagram where it has been narrowing. So we have to remember when it is narrowed of aorta in descending, so there will be coarctation and it can be preductal or postductal in location. Preductal type coarctation of aorta, the lower half of the body will be supplied the blood through the right ventricle through ductus arteriosus, that is from right ventricle it has a pulmonary artery which will go and join to the aorta, so where the blood from the right ventricles will be sent to the pulmonary artery, and from pulmonary artery in ductus arteriosus, so there the blood will be sent into the aorta. From there it will sent to the lower part of the body. In postductal type, so the right ventricular outflow cannot maintain blood flow to the descending aorta in sufficient amount because the ductus arteriosus, after the connection, if it is been narrowed, then the blood will not be sent into the lower part of our body, so which results in increased pressure in upper part of the body and decreased pressure in the lower part of the body. So in our diagram I'm showing you where the coarctation of aorta, so that is or narrowing of the aorta, that is distal to subclavian artery, that is left subclavian artery. So the pressure will increase the workload of the left ventricles. So this is the things we have to see in. So when there is no proper blood supply to the descending aorta, then the pressure will be lower in the lower part of our body, as we seen in previous step. So that is the thing we have to see here. Because of narrowing of the aorta, decreased blood flow to the distal to the structure and backup of the blood flow into the heart. So this is the thing which will happen in coarctation of aorta. Now I'm showing in a diagram. So there is increased pressure, so workload of the left ventricles, so to pump the blood. Due to narrowing of the aorta, the blood from left atrium to the left ventricle, and from left ventricle it will send into the aorta, and when it sent into the aorta, then it will supply to the arch of aorta. When it is going for descending aorta, then there will be block or narrowing of the aorta, so then it is called as coarctation of aorta. Thank you friends for watching. It's Star Science Robinson.